Daytona, you know what that means. Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. I know the lighting is probably not the greatest right now, but y'all know we in the Camaro, we in Blueprint, man. We about to go to this king of the open road, man. So that racing channel has came to Arizona, man, and yeah, this is about to be a crazy weekend. We got the cops right there on bikes. They must know what's going on. But yeah, this weekend is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a lot of road racing, drag racing, all that stuff happening this weekend, man. And yeah, we about to head there now, but first I need to fill up. I got like 91 in the car, like half a tank of 91, and the other half I'll put E85. But for today, we're gonna go for a cruise all over Arizona, man. So this gonna be pretty nice. We may catch a few you know, roads going on the road, see who I can compete with, see how good my shifting game is. But stay tuned for all of that, man, because it's gonna be a good weekend, a lot of content for you guys to enjoy. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, we're gonna see how much E85 is. This is like one of the few gas stations where I'm at that has E85, man. So hopefully that got somebody in a suit be filling up. So hopefully we'll see how much it costs here. Like E85 is, look at that. I don't know, can y'all see it? But it's $425 for E85, man. This is like crazy. Definitely not used to that, but it is what it is. We're gonna fill up and enjoy the day, because right now it's just cruising, but you never know, you may catch a victim. So I just got done talking to these guys in the Subi, man, and they cool as hell. We were just talking about how people just coming from everywhere to go to this meet. Right, that is the drag strip where the magic is going to happen all weekend, man. So we about to go ahead, check in, get our registration, and we about to see what cars is here, man. I know I'm not the fastest car, but there is some fast cars, and I do have a fast car, you know. So look like a lot of people come early, taking their cars, unloading it, and yeah, getting ready for the cruise. So let's figure out how to enter in here, because GPS took me down the wrong way. Time to hit the fucking road. It's time to hit the road. So right now, let me zoom out because this is crazy. So right now we are about to like line up. Some people just filling up for gas. What's so crazy about this event is that there's a truck that's gonna follow all the cars here. It's about like, I don't know, like, I'm not even gonna guess, like 200 plus cars here, but there's a truck with E85 and racing gas, and we're getting escorted by the sheriffs here. So they allowing us to like run it or whatever, but we going to the small town called Tombstone, and it's like an old gold and silver mining town or whatever. So that's where it's gonna end at. But the reason for us to do this cruise is because it's like a lot of historical stuff here, man. So we're just gonna go ahead and like cruise and enjoy it. So this is like a nice family event, and then afterwards around like 7 o'clock is gonna be test and tune and open drag night, if that's something that you want to do. Otherwise, if you don't, you can just sit back and relax and get ready for the road racing event tomorrow. So that's something I'm excited for. But in the meantime, we're gonna see, can we get some runs in and see how my cars stack up with some of these cars. So stay tuned for that. We just now need to go up here and get our goodie bags and see what we get, because they give us t-shirts, gift cards, a whole lot of stuff, man. So they even say like some of these have like $500, a $500 gas card from like 5, 10, 15, all the way up to like 500. So we're gonna see, will I get lucky? Well, one of my people that I'm riding with, you know, Danny, and we got about like, I'm forgetting everybody's names, but they know because we all riding together. But we're gonna see which one of us get this nice bag. As you can see, they giving it to him down there, like a yellow bag or so. So that guy right there in the red shirt. In this merch bag, they got the map. We have a map here of where we going, man. So it's like crazy, letting us know history and everything. So this is pretty sweet, really nice. Shout out to all the sponsors that's helping this event. But it's a map here and stuff telling us where to go, but I need to find it. But TRC said it best. Today we set out to determine if you have a real street car or not. So real quick, because I'm driving the manual, as y'all know, but in order for me to get like the front, like what's going on and all that stuff, I got the PDR going. So that's probably the only low quality video. I'm just throwing that out there as a disclaimer, because that's what's gonna be getting in front of me. But you know, I got the GoPro to get these runs in, and then I got this to face me when I can. If not, it is what it is. So, I don't know if I explained this, so excuse me if I'm repeating this, but on this cruise, we gotta stop at this location, Tombstone, to get this token. Now, this token is like what we need to keep for the whole weekend, because it's like a memorabilia, but it's also this token to make sure that you racing and that you part of like the race cars and you get detected and all that. Without that token, you won't be able to get in. First time seeing Border Patrol, that's crazy. Uh-oh, it's a tunnel. It's a tunnel, you know what that means. Time to go crazy. Special. But yeah, this is how deep it is. It's crazy. Small little pond or whatever. Kind of remind me like the Grand Canyon, but we in Purple Heart County. Ooh, that sunset. That sunset is beautiful, man. We're about 10 miles from our destination, so next time y'all see me, I'll be recording our final stop. So we almost there. We made it here. We finally made it here, so we're gonna figure out where everything is at and then go from there. Welcome to Tombstone. This is like an old saloon, western type town. So pretty nice so far. Way different than where I came from. And I'm not gonna lie, I thought that guy back there was a statue, but that was a real guy. But this is a nice historical gold mining town here in Tombstone. So let's see where we gotta go.
You said there's numbers on here? Oh, I got it.
Okay. See what numbers? What numbers you see? I don't see the
I can
numbers.
barely see. I need some glasses.
I'ma just
Is it under maybe another
randomly pick one. Oh, right in the middle with my eyes closed. So this is the coin that we have that I need for the whole weekend. And it looks like my number is 289. But this is something I need to keep a hold of the whole time. So right now there's a popular saloon, Big Nose Saloon here. We gonna get something to eat. And then after that, I don't know. Dang, they got my boy Danny. We're just revving at
Hey, good. I think it's better if we go meet him, actually. Let's go.
It is cops out tonight.
First gas station we see, we'll stop at for anyone who wants to wait for him. I'm gonna wait for him.